Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do these 3 easy bun hairstyles. To start, we've got this easy knotted low bun which is perfect for long hair. To start, I'm going to section off a little bit of hair at the front to frame the face, and then just do this on both sides and clip it out of the way for later. Then divide the rest of the hair in half at the nape of the neck, and we're just going to secure each half into a low ponytail using an elastic band. So just repeat this on both sides of the head. And starting on that left hand side, I'm just going to loosen that ponytail by pulling it down ½ an inch or so. I'm going to pop my fingers behind the elastic band coming from the outside to the inside of the head, and then I'm just going to grab hold of that ponytail and pull it back through that hole we just made so we create a sideways twist. And then repeat it on the right hand side, so loosen your ponytails, create a hole going from the outside to the inside, and then pass that ponytail up to your fingers and pull it back through that hole to create another sideways twist. Next, I'm going to add some texture spray over the top of the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. Then just gently loosen up the hair at the crown and sides of the head and create a little bit of messy volume by pinching and pulling. Next, I'm going to tie those 2 ponytails in a simple knot as if you were tying your shoelaces. Make sure you've got one end pointing up and the other one pointing down, and then just slip a few bobby pins through the centre of that knot to keep it secure to the head. So taking that tail end from the top, I'm going to just give it a slight twist and bring it down the left hand side of the head, securing with pins as I go. Now I'm just securing it at the bottom, and the very last bit I'm just going to slip a bobby pin in and secure it to the right hand side of that little bun we're creating. Now take that last ponytail and bring it up the right hand side of that bun, again securing with pins. Give the ends a little twist for a little bit more interest, and then just tuck the ends behind the bun so you can't see them and secure with another pin. Secure everything in place with a little bit of hairspray. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. Okay, so moving on to hairstyle number 2, I've got this really quick and easy messy bun. To start, we're going to split the hair from ear to ear. Then we're just going to secure that top section into a ponytail using a clear elastic band. On the last turn of that elastic band, only pull the ponytail part way through to create a loop and leave the ends hanging down. Now we're just going to lift both those bits up and out of the way and just clip them to the top of the head for now, and we're going to repeat the same on the bottom section. So create your ponytail and then only pull it part way through on the last turn to create your loop. Now grab some texture spray and apply it to that bottom section. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then use your fingers to stretch out that loop, and then we're going to take pieces next to each other and pull them in opposite directions to create some messy volume. Then just secure this to the head with a few bobby pins. Release that top loop down, and we're going to do the same steps again. So apply your texture spray, then pinch and pull in opposite directions or in little sections all over that loop. Secure to the head with a few bobby pins to keep everything nice and secure. Secure to the head with a few bobby pins. Apply some more texture spray over the top of the head, and then we're just going to use our fingers to pinch and pull at the crown and side sections to just give it a little bit more messy volume. Then secure with hairspray. Now we're going to take the tail ends from that top loop first and twist them towards the head. Add some more texture spray and pinch and pull that twist. Then take it from the left hand side over the top of the bun and secure it to the right hand side of the bun with a few bobby pins. Now take the tail ends from that bottom loop, again twist them towards the head and add your texture spray. Then pinch and pull for some more volume, and this time we're going to take them up and over the bun over to the left hand side, and again secure all along that twist with a few bobby pins. Then secure everything in place with some strong hold hairspray. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. And then moving on to the last hairstyle, which is probably my favourite, is this lovely textured low bun. To start, I've curled the hair and I'm just using a curling tong, starting towards the top of the head and then just flat wrapping this all the way, incorporating the ends, and you get these lovely ringlety curls. Curl the entire head, so you should end up with lots of bouncy curls. And now I'm just going to section out some hair at the front to frame the face and clip this out of the way until the end. Now take some dry texture spray and apply it all over the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Now I'm going to take a chunk of hair from the back slightly right hand side of the head and I'm going to twist it towards the middle of the head, pinching and pulling to loosen it up. Then I'm going to slip a bobby pin up and through the middle of that twist to keep it secure, and then just lock it in with another bobby pin. Take the same size section just slightly to the left at the back of the head, and again we're going to twist this towards the middle of the back of the head, bring it over so it sits next to that first twist and loosen it up by pinching and pulling, and again secure up that twist with a couple of bobby pins. Now I'm going to take the rest of the hair on the right hand side from the ear upwards, and I'm going to twist this again towards the head, bringing it round the back and pinching and pulling. Slip a bobby pin in the end just to secure it, and I also like to slip a bobby pin through the centre of the twists to keep them nice and secure. Repeat the same on the left hand side, so all the hair from the ear upwards, twist it towards the head, and then bring it round to the back and secure with a couple more bobby pins. Then just spend a minute pinching and pulling and securing with hairspray until you're happy with the amount of texture. Next I'm going to divide the remaining hair into 3 equal sections, and I'm going to pop a clip on that middle section to keep them all separate. So starting on the far right hand side, I'm going to twist all the hair towards the head, and I'm going to bring it up and over to the left hand side, trying to keep this going horizontally straight across from ear to ear, and then just pin with a few bobby pins all the way through the centre of that twist until you get to the left hand side. Now I'm going to take the far left hand section, so gather it all up in your hands, and I'm going to incorporate the tail ends from that top twist, so just tuck them in. And again I'm going to twist these all together, so keep twisting all the way down to the end of the hair, and then I'm going to bring the ends up to that top twist, so you sort of make it a U shape, hold in place and secure at the top and the bottom with a few more bobby pins. Now taking that last section, just remove the clip, and I'm going to bring that bottom section and I'm going to twist it again all in one direction, bringing it straight up and incorporating the ends from that other twist we've just done. And this time I'm going to loop it up and then back down, so you're making an N shape. Again, secure with bobby pins at the top and bottom. And then with those very last tail ends, keep twisting them in the same direction, and then I'm just going to tuck them up and underneath that little messy bun we've made and secure with a couple of pins. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favourite hairstyle.